Today we are doing arts and crafts with Kerri. Today we have
Abigail.
with us.
You will need the following materials: kinetic sand, toothpicks, colored paper, tape, and scissors. What's the first step?
First, you just want to build the form like a triangle, 3D triangle.
What's the next step?
The second step would have to be cutting off the top to make an opening with scissors. That. Then just put that off to the side.
Cool. What's the third step?
The third step is smoothing it out. Just take your scissors, take that along the sides. And if this makes a mess, it's easy to pick up. Just take a glob of it, and it will just connect to it.
Okay, what's the third step?
Third step, you'll just make little creases on it, so you could show put the lava in. Not real. I'll just do 3 for now.
Okay, what's the next step?
The next step, I'm not gonna do the red sand right now. I'm just gonna put the little fire coming out. All you do is put colored paper to toothpicks. Got a few of them. Like that.
What's the last step?
Taking the red sand and just trying to put it in the crease. You don't have to put it perfect. I put construction paper under so it won't leave a mess on the table. And I definitely wouldn't do it on a carpet because this could get stuck in it. And just press it in, and then it's done.
Thank you for joining us today. This show has been hosted by A&M Digital